want to talk just for a second about overflow. Let's suppose we have a variable called x, and it's a variable of type chart, and I assign x the value 32,767. You can see up in memory there, two positions are partitioned off given the name x, and you realize that those two positions are combined, and there's a total of 16 wires there, 16 bits that we're going to allow to be used together to store one piece of data, whatever x is. Well, believe it or not, you can only store 65,536 things in those two combined bytes. Okay? Well, the maximum positive number you can store is 32,767, and it goes back to 0, and it goes all the way back to minus 32,768. So that's the range of possible values. Well, what would happen if I made x equal to 32,767 and then I added 1 to it? Well, it would overflow back to minus 32,768. What would happen if I was sitting on 32,767 and I added 2 to it? It would go all the way back to minus 32,768, and then in 1 it will become minus 32,767. So I have a little chart here, and if you look up here on the screen, this is the range. This is the range of x, minus 32,768 all the way to 0 to 32,767. And if you're sitting here at 32,767 and you add 1 to it, you wrap around. You wrap around to minus 32,768. What happens if you're sitting at minus 32,768? X is equal to minus 32,768, and you subtract 1. Okay, well then you're going to wrap around all the way to the front to positive 32,767, and that's called underflow. Well, anyway, what I did is this. I took a look at what 32,767 looked like right here. And if I had 16 wires here making up my 2 bytes, my storage location, 32,767, all of them would be on except the very last one, the 32,768. They would all be on but the very last one. And so when you add them all up, it comes to 32,767, the highest value. What happens if I add 1 to 32,767? We'll take a look. Starting over here, 1 plus 1 is a 0, and then you carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry the 1. And you can see in blue, those are all the carries. And when I'm all done, the answer is this, which happens to be minus 32,768. So that's a great demonstration on what overflow actually entails.